What's up, guys? We're on our way to the track right now. We're going to H&P. We're taking my truck, Brownie. Johnny should already be over there. We're passing in a speed shop with Johnny Walker. So it's a 1/8 track. We're gonna see how it does. I have never ran my truck in that track. My best has been a 570. I'm hoping for a 560, I guess. Maybe a 550, that would be nice. We'll see how it does. What's up, dog?
You ran
What's
it?
up? Yeah, he just made his first pass.
What'd
it run? How'd it do?
Oh, we don't know. He has a time slip. We turn it. Turn way down. So I don't. We're
that little bitch is good.
Yeah.
Like a 650. I'm thinking maybe somewhere in there. We'll see.
Okay.
But I mean, it was just like a give him, grab the trans brake, keep him, and we actually wanted to wait.
He keeps the helmet on and everything.
Because we wanted to make sure he didn't get nervous for the camera. So we're like, hey, let's try it before.
He owes me $50.
I
was gonna bet 1,000.
We had better money that he wasn't gonna drive, and I lost.
What up, ODG little baby here, you know what I'm saying? You know where we at.
4-1. 620 at 110. Okay, not bad.
Yeah, we turned it way down. The two steps like super turned down, timing turned down, boost turned down. I think it's like 10 pounds top of the gate.
Okay, so it's super slow right now.
Yeah. First run.
What's up, dog? How'd it feel?
Hey, we gotta tie some bricks to him. He don't flow away, bro. We're gonna run it right now.
Hell yeah.
How'd it do? Are you satisfied?
Yeah, it's on wastage.
Yeah, so it's on low.
Yeah, it was just for him to do. He's shifting like at 6,000.
Just to get the feel of it.
Just for him to get the feel for it. Yeah.
Good. Not bad, dog. Not bad. That way you can feel it. So he's already ran a 620 on just wastegate. That's pretty good, huh?
Just wastegate, no boost.
Just wastegate. 10 pounds. Should be running like 550s all day.
Yeah,
560s, 570s.
¿Ya corriste 570, verdad?
Yeah. Put some power to it. But it's not the best conditions. It's real humid, it's hot. I mean, it'll go good. I think we'll go, but we'll try. We should try to go for a new personal best. We'll try, for sure. What do you think? 570 is what's the best right now. 570s, yeah. I mean, we went a 570 on a way better surface.
¿Is that machete?
Era con el otro Corvette.
We went a 570 on a little bit better conditions, better track prep. So we're gonna have to maybe not hit it as hard down low, but try to maybe hit it, bring the boost in a little bit sooner, and see if we can kind of make it up that way. But if we can go 570s on this condition, I think it's really good.
Okay.
And we'll try to go more. We're gonna try. I mean,
We're gonna tweak the timing a little bit because it's a little humid out here.
so timing for the humidity?
Yeah. For the
Oh, okay,
humidity.
good job. Good
So
job.
we can't give them all our secrets.
Yeah. You're right.
Well, me and Adrian will talk a little bit and we'll get it tweaked
Off
out.
camera.
Acabo de.
Hey, you didn't even say hi to me, bro.
Yeah, I did.
No, you didn't.
I did like this. Yeah, I did.
Come on, bro.
You actually hit me hard.
You're still hiding from them bottles, ain't you?
Yeah.
You're still hiding from them bottles. You see people when you get scared.
He needs to walk around with a helmet.
Yeah, when you get your hey, on the gas helmet, dude. Hard hat.
So we made it to the track. Frank's about to make the first pass. He's gonna try to beat his personal best time, which is 570. He ran a 570 when it was cold. Right now it's hot and humid. It's not gonna perform as well, but we're gonna try it out. It's on low boost. God damn, you know.
I dropped the PSI on the tires a little bit so it could hook it up.
You didn't do a goddamn thing.
Hey, I'm not gonna slip this time. I ain't gonna slip. We got them tight this time. Y'all ain't gonna see me slipping. Good.
What you think, dog? Good?
Good pass?
Yeah, give him 590 on the first one.
Hey, watch your feet. Watch your feet.
Dang. So, Tiny, what was your prediction?
6'5".
Yeah, I almost 6'5"? I'd say 6'2".
6'5".
I'd say 6'2".
Tiny, what kind of prediction is that?
6-0. I say 6-0 flat.
I think he went 590s.
590s? Yeah. I can see 590s. The way he shot off.
I'm with you. That was a good launch.
Yeah, that was good, dog. That was damn
That was off the trailer, too.
Yeah, off the trailer. Wastegate.
6'5".
6'5"? Damn, bro. You, God, damn, bro.
It's the first hit.
So, that was a good ass launch.
This ain't the motherfucking, this ain't a Kia, dog. It ain't a Kia, dog.
I know it ain't a Mustang. Tell you that, but
It ain't no beat up truck either.
hey. Let me hook the fucking trailer, nigga. That diesel
I heard you
fucking
burning out on lagging ass dog.
line up next to a diesel, dog.
Boy, shut your ass up.
At least you could do it without breaking the transmission.
You ain't never ran it. Every time it ran, it broke anyways. So what? We in the same boat, player. Oh, milk dud ass head.
What's up, dog?
Man, dog, I got a flat tire. I had to pull into a jack in the box on Airline in 610. I ain't never seen so many crackheads in my life, bro. And they're like, I gotta change your tire for 2 tacos, baby. I was like, no, get away from me, dog. Like, Jesus.
He's offended by help.
No, me no me quita así, güey. Así la
No,
corta.
nothing. We're taking the turbo blanket off, so it's not smoking no more. Or did we make it worse?
No, I think I made it work. No, pero mira, está hasta la verga aceite, güey. Por eso es lo que están viendo. Y está atorada abajo, ¿y quién se creó? Pura fibra, güey.
Esa pinche navaja está perra, güey.
Pura fibra esa mamá, güey.
¿Me la das o no? Oh, it's a switchblade.
Fuera por abajo, güey.
Este vato me quiere hacer otra cortada, more than what I have already. So the truck ran a 6.1 at 118, 140, 60 foot. It's been faster. What's going on? Oh, where was a slow?
Yeah. So we still have the 3 settings from when you raced, Gavin.
Right.
And then the last time we went to the track, we had it out, but the track was super shitty. So we run the boost leash that allows you to run, I think, up to 5 stages, and then it's the boost ramps. So we still had it on 3. We're running 3 stages, left off. I think right now Roy just took off 1 stage, so it's gonna be 2 stages. We'll ramp it, get the boost kind of in, and then once 2nd stage comes in, you should feel it pull a little bit more.
Right.
We got pretty much a track to ourselves.
Yeah.
So we got time.
Exactly.
We got time. So
Yeah, I felt it hit like halfway through the track.
yeah.
That's when I felt the full boost, and I was like, damn, it's about to end.
Bro, that you should have heard it, bro.
Yeah.
It left pretty good. I think the first stage was good. The 2nd stage it kind of died.
Yeah, it bogged down
And
a
the
little
3rd stage, bro, it's like
Yeah.
you could hear where it opened up, and we're like, okay, way out there. I like to tell you, man, for us, it seems we made so many passes. I just gotta watch the truck go, and I can tell, okay, where we need more power.
Gotcha.
And that's really what we talk about, power management, dude. It's if we put all the power you had, we're gonna overpower the tires, which we don't want to do that. It's a matter of hitting it hard and then keeping it planted all the way through. Really, this is probably the kind of everything coming together with you. You have a lot of seat time now. You do really good. You have a good feel for it. We see what the truck is doing, what it likes. If everything goes good, we should really be able to knock some ET down and get it in there. Try to get a new personal best for you. And in a 1/4 mile race, the first 8th mile is really where it's all at. Once we get this part out in, bro, when you start getting this feel for it, I mean, it really gets exciting, bro.
Yeah.
It really gets exciting. And being consistent.
Right.
Consistent, and that's where us too, is how do we give some pass ups, some tune ups to be consistent for you? And when we go different places, different surfaces, to be able to know, okay, you know what, let's try this tune up, try that tune up. This one did this one did that. And it's just learning, bro, learning. So I think Johnny's about to go. Yeah.
Okay, let's go check out Johnny. You ready to go?
So, ready to rock and roll.
You want a GoPro in here?
Let's go.
Yeah, my brother wants to go get it real quick.
GoPro on.
Yeah. How much did you turn it up?
Not much, just a little bit of launch.
Okay.
And I didn't do nothing. All I did was go up 2 numbers on the launch.
Just so you can get some seat time. Okay.
That's the second pass.
Yeah. You ready?
Truck Nationals, pull up. Want to get smoke? Pull up. He's testing the Truck Nationals.
That's a badass harness. Yeah, you're secured in that motherfucker.
Hell yeah, boy. Get that shit, boy. Get that shit. Suck my thing. Let's go.
Motherfucker drives just like me. Motherfucker doesn't burn out just like me.
Shit.
I think you pulled the front tire.
Yeah, look.
I think you pulled the front tire. It's close, bro.
Damn, that was good.
Wait, Machete, who are you?
Oh no, just a hype man, boy.
It was close to it. It was close. I can check it right now.
No, it popped on one tire, wait.
It was close.
I don't think it's
Oh, okay. Yeah.
That was close.
I think more boost. More boost. It'll pick it up.
Put some clicks on that side.
What do you think it ran?
Oh,
Probably like a 6.0, 5.9.
probably faster. Probably like a 590.
580?
I'll give it a 580.
I'll say 590.
Not there because we're low on boost. It's low boost. My
Yeah.
power's not there, but
Yeah.
it's low boost. The converter's so tight. It just you hear when it shifts, it drops so much RPM because you want so much more power.
How'd it do?
6-0?
6.0, yeah. Not bad, not bad, not bad.
Not bad.
Hey, that was badass.
Hell
That bitch
yeah.
took off like a motherfucker.
Tiny.
Can I get a oh yeah?
Oh yeah.
What about you?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. How'd that felt? That was badass. Shit. Hell yeah. That was badass. ¿Sí te levantas hoy? Pull up. Don't get smoked by the ODG crew.
About to go down. It's about to go down. ¿Ya le subieron? Un poquito nomás. Come on.
590.
580.
Where's Johnny?
590. 590.
590.
592.
580.
592.
Oh, now you're giving a trade. The last run.
Because that was a good hit in the beginning.
That one felt like a 590, maybe. 590, 589, 587, something like that. Thank you, sir. 596, yeah, 590. That's what it felt like. 460 foot, we can do better. So 590 at 119. Not bad, not bad. Where'd it go? 590, 119. Okay, we'll
590?
Yeah.
We'll go up a little more. Yeah, 142. We can leave a lot harder.
590.
Turn the boost control on.
We're at 140, so we need to hit it harder down low. Let's go up to.
We'll go up to two-step. We'll go two-step.
Point where the
We're all
brakes.
supposed to hear 4,000.
Okay, fuck it, whatever. I'm just telling you.
Súbele toda la verga.
I know I thought that, but okay. Kenny's way more. It went at 140, so we need to hit it harder down low. For the
We're all
brakes.
supposed to hear 4,000.
Okay, fuck it, whatever I want. I'm just telling you.
Súbele toda la verga. Talking about this truck, this is the baddest truck, full-size truck right here. Stock frame rails. You see right there. Está, man.
And then if it holds good, well, then we'll go up on the
Okay,
two-step.
gotcha.
But I just saw where it just jump on that one.
Yeah.
When you try to bump it, it almost like try to push, foot brake.
All right. He's good though, 590.
What's up, little baby?
What's going on, man? Hey, September 18th is going down. ODG gonna be there. Y'all better pull up. Bring that money with you. I got 5 bands ready to go. Let's get it.
Boy got 5.
Hey, what it said right here?
5 quarters, dog.
You know what's up?
Paper, dog. You know what it is.
That's what's up.
You been that dog. People been asking for your bitch ass.
Why gotta be all that, dog? Nah, man, I've been out working in Austin and stuff like that, but we're here, you know, I gotta show support for my boys whenever I get here, so y'all be ready, dog, because we're gonna fuck y'all niggas up, dog. So come through. Yes, sir.
Pull up.
Tell them, Jose. Let them know what it is, dog. Let them know, dog.
See, baby.
Fast, but not stupid fast. I was like, that's a 590 pass. And sure enough, it was.
Okay.
20 miles per hour?
One on this one was 119.
Not bad. Not bad.
That's what you getting a quarter mile, fool.
This is the same guy that lasted 3 days putting the headers
2 hours.
Yeah. It took 3 days to put headers on his C7 Vic.
12 hours. Still not proud of it.
He said YouTube, it was easy on YouTube.
I stayed at the shop till he got there around what, noon?
Yeah, it was about noon.
I stayed there with him till like 4 o'clock in the morning.
The next day. The next day. It wasn't the same as the next day.
4 in the morning of next week.
Hey, that's
There's some headers, dog. Just to install some goddamn headers. Boy, cut them bitches off. Cut them bitches off.
How many transmissions you go through?
I saw the motor on the ground, the transmission. I was like, what's going on here?
Saw the cab off the frame.
I should have just built it while I was there. Like, fuck, everything was out. We're gonna line them up a little bit. Nah, not right now.
At the end of the night, we're gonna line them up. Johnny versus Frank.
I got $100. Come on.
Can they do it now? Since it's already 11? Oh, they want to do it now. What time we're testing? Yeah, this is regular slick prep. But it's sticky, bro. Nobody has confidence like
You want to test it and go on this side?
Y'all can do whatever. We can do whatever.
Do whatever.
whatever you want.
Pull that truck over.
Hey, you want to do a test one on this side and see how it looks? Okay. Alright.
Then you flip for a lane.
So we're both gonna run on this lane. This is the what? Slick lane?
Y'all come when y'all done, come back over here.
And then we'll flip a coin and see what lane, because it's different prep.
You gonna put money on that or what? You owe me 100 already.
so it's still not that sticky. And we didn't bring the laptop, so we can't turn it down. So he burned out in it, so we're hoping it's still sticky now because of the compound on the tires. So he should be able to launch now. Is that the answer you were looking for?
That's the exact answer.
No vale verga ese lane.
So, Tito.
Más está agresivo, Adrián.
So what happened? The posse broke. God dang.
Race truck life. What happens?
Hey, just paper though. Just paper, George.
If you're worried about how much it costs to do this, then don't do it. Plain and simple.
When word.
Son of a whore. So that's part of racing. It's not always fun. Damn it, I wanted to race Johnny. Well, sorry fellas. That's it.
I could see the bolt pattern on the rim spinning at the speed of the truck. I could see the actual the whatever you call the spokes. I could see on like nah. Skip it. Yeah. And then when smoke was only on the right side, I'm like, okay, something's wrong here.
That's a 9-inch rack.
14 bolt.
Really got a 14 bolt.
That's a 14 volt.
Pero, oh my God. ¿Y el posi qué es que estaba?
And I think too the posi, it might be the posi going out because if it's a Yukon, it has clutches, and as it starts wearing out, they'll start to close. And with your 60-foot being so slow compared to before, was I figured out why the 60-foot was off. If the posi's going out, it'll kill your 60-foot. So it could be that. I mean, more likely it's
My 60-foot's been slow the whole night.
Tonight it's been shitty.
Yeah.
And weather's not great and everything, but it still has a mile per hour at the back. So the power's still there. It just wasn't leaving for whatever reason.
Damn.
So
That fucking sucks.
yeah,
I really wanted to race Johnny.
we tried.
The fucked up part was I was actually gonna drive it here.
Yeah.
Hey, drive it home.
Yeah, nah.
Yeah, that ain't gonna happen.
And that thing.
Easy, bro. Scoot that bitch up.
Yeah, we'll put it right there.
Oh, it's a 2-car hauler.
Yeah. So we'll try right now with Johnny, see what we can do. But either to that left lane, it's just not meant for radius. So
Yeah, but it was gonna go out either way,
Yes.
right? It wasn't because of the lane. I mean,
No, the thing it left, it went out right here.
Yeah,
And now out of the race.
and that's why we test.
Yeah, that's what we test. That's why Adrian loves to test.
What's up, Tiny?
Sweat. Strapping your truck. I actually got underneath it.
Really? You fit?
Yeah.
Hey, everybody's asking, why were you running from the fight?
It wasn't my fight in the first place. If y'all didn't know, it was on the gas audio shop event. And we were just trying to keep everybody calm because I actually wanted to shut the event down at 5 p.m.
That's when you called me.
That's when I called you, yeah.
And he called me and I said, hey, if they're fighting, get the fuck out of there. What are you doing?
Yeah. Well, I had already told the staff, get out of there. But it looked like they were calming down, so I was trying to mediate in between everybody.
Well, shut your ass up.
So I was trying to do that until I seen a bottle of Bucana fly across the fucking sand. I ducked and got the fuck out of there. That's all it. I mean,
Fuck that.
it wasn't our fight. People saying that I ran like a little pussy, but it wasn't our fight. Don't listen to Machete. He's 3 beers in. He's already sloppy.
No, I'm not.
He's sloppy. Look at him.
The way I talk is the way I talk, dog. But still, dog. I seen the video. I seen about 17 videos, dog. My nigga said, "Hey, go."
What you want me to do? Stand there and get hit?
No, hell no. Hey,
Yeah.
I applaud you for fucking taking off, dog. You weren't about that shit, dog.
Yeah.
But hey, dog, why you don't throw shit to my boy Tiny, dog? We ain't nothing been fucking good to y'all and everything, dog. You gonna throw shit to Tiny? What's up? Throw it down. Next time we go to the valley, I'm gonna whoop y'all asses, dog. I'm so kidding, dog.
Go get your own
Bitch,
boy.
I didn't even say nothing. With your stupid ass, dusty ass, you look like salt.
What are you doing now, dog?
No, nothing, dog.
Why are you pissing Tiny off now? What is he doing?
Ya lo regañó Adrian, no hace caso.
No bring me into this.
Johnny was about to do a burnout y este vato se le acerca y le dice, hey, we're going to the clubs this weekend.
No, I did. I did not
bro.
say that, dog. I did not say that, dog.
He hit the tailgate button or what?
Yeah, he hit the ejecto tailgate. Motherfucker popped the wheelie.
Prices, baby.
Boy. All right, we're gonna have to get a bigger boat.
Hey, what was it popping like that? Like, was it sputtering on like on the 60 foot?
I think the battery's low.
The voltage. You lift it?
Lift it on the air, bro. Look at that shit.
I rolled it too, and it only came down because it hit the limiter.
You know what I mean?
I mean, it started popping. Pop, pop, pop.
You know.
That thing twists real bad, bro.
Got a little something.
Oh shit. What it run?
No, he wants 6.1. He wants slow. But they want a 133, 60 foot.
Oh, okay. Damn, off the wheelie on a 6.1?
It was sputtering. That pass would have been like a 580.
Yeah.
Se levantó la llanta, güey. Hey,
No, es la pila.
hey, I was about to tell you.
La pila.
Because I had that bitch.
Yeah, no, es la pila. 33, Johnny. 133 in the air.
390 and the 330 is good. You break under the fours and you're getting somewhere. The 6.1 at 111 still? Shit.
Mira. Hasta ahí. Lost about $1,000. I bet everybody is running.
Damn, how much?
Truck Nationals again, pull up.
Want the smoke?
All right,
take it easy.
Yes, sir.
Y'all be good? The what?
Sir. All right, George. Christian.
Alright guys, it's a wrap. It was a good day at the track.
It was.
Good thing it's called Testing Tunes, so we'll break out here, so we're gonna break in the race.
Yep. In a big money race.
I love them, Frank. Take
All
care.
right. Be careful. Put my truck up. All right, guys, that's a wrap. So I didn't hit a PB tonight. Well, I hit a PB here, personal best of 590s. but we definitely didn't go 570s, 560s how I thought I would. Right when we turned it up, it fucking broke the posse. Hey, that's part of racing, you know? That's part of testing, and we rather it break on a test night than a big money race. So Johnny actually did really good, better than we all expected. Badass driver. The fucking truck was popping and banging at the line, taking off fucking sick, popping wheelies and shit. So badass fucking truck, badass truck. So that's it. Let's fucking go home.